What's going on, guys? It's Monday morning. DCIX is hot. Once again this morning, it's up 32%. This morning down there at the $9 area. Look at this dip right before 8 a.m. Got the dip down at that $9 area. Now we're up there to $15.50. I've been sitting here like finger on the trigger, like I'm gonna jump in, and it keeps going higher and higher and higher. And at this point, I'm like, why didn't I jump in earlier? So been trying to wait for like a real massive pullback to jump in on, but it's not getting opportunities. So I'm just gonna sit back here and look for that opportunity. See if we get a pullback here at some point. Get a nice big sell-off and then try to grab some shares real cheap for a nice little pop back up there. But you can see DCIX, it's moving. It's moving, guys. It's wanting to go here. DCIX making a crazy move, like 700% there on Friday. I talked about it over the weekend, how we were going to trade DCIX today. DCIX is doing exactly what I thought it would. Continuing that movement there. Pre-market, we got only 400,000 shares traded, but you can see that small float. This thing likes to move quick. And up there from that $9 area, up there to $15.75. Insane. But I'm sitting here. I like to see maybe you get pulled back down to that $14 area. $14.50 would be nice. Sitting back, watching. I got a feeling it's gonna be a fun day. Another fun day. Friday was a fun day. DCIX was crazy on Friday. Thinking today might be similar to that in the sense that we might have some crazy big moves here. Get back up that $20 area. Who knows? DCIX could go up to $40, $50 a day. Like I talked about on Sunday in the video that I made, talking about how this stock on Friday, you know, in the morning really didn't go that crazy. I mean, obviously it went from $3 to $10, which is pretty crazy. But really, it was after lunch when this thing really started to explode. You can see these moves going from, you know, $10 to 15, 15 back down, and then 15 to 20. So I'm expecting, you know, this same kind of action today, similar to the end of day Friday. We're going to get to some real big spreads, some real big action there. No shares to short on SureTrader. So not sure there's going to be any opportunity to do that, but yeah, so markets open in 45 minutes, Peter. It's 8:49 a.m. Eastern time right now. It's 1 hour back. 1 hour back. Daylight, was it daylight, not daylight savings time? Woke up this morning and it was already really sunny out, and I thought, oh God, I missed the market open. Why is it so sunny already? And then I remembered the time change. So DCIX pulling back here. Down in that 1460 area. I might put an order out there. See if I get filled here. 14. It's dropping there. Look at the spread just disappearing. $14.50 there. See if we get this all the way down there to $14 here on DCIX. See this pullback here. Get some support from earlier there at the 1350 area, so. Too much ads lately in your videos, bro. What ads? Ads for what? What's going on? Good morning, everybody who's just tuning in. DCIX up 30-40% this morning already, making some crazy moves from the $9 area. Right now, it's up there above 14. See if I can get filled here at 14.20. Nope. Look at that. Oh, wow. Look at that explosion there. Right back up there to $15. Talk about a dip buy there. Just not getting filled. Up there to 14.75. This spread sometimes, this gets crazy. Obviously, it's pre-market, so the spread can be even bigger than normal trading. Wild. Definitely keeping an eye here on DCIX. Other than DCIX this morning, we got a couple other shippers moving. We got TOPS moving around there, the dollar area. It's up 43% so far, up there from the 72-cent area. So TOPS, DCIX. I think that DCIX is going to be a little bit more volatile in the sense that this thing could go from $15 to $20, where TOPS, it's at that dollar area. I'm not a big fan of those $1.99 area stocks. I don't know what it is, but sometimes those sub-dollar stocks just get a lot of pressure there at the dollar area. But DCIX way above that dollar area, up here at 1460 area, 1485 right now. DCIX, the float is just insane. Like, I think it's, nobody knows the exact number, but the float is something like 200,000, 300,000 shares that are out there right now in circulation. So it takes literally nothing to get the stock moving. AMD is teaming up with NVIDIA to take down the beast NVIDIA. I don't know if that makes sense, Hulk. Yeah, there you go. Intel. Check out TMUS. TMUS. TMUS selling off here. T-Mobile. What's the news here on T-Mobile right now? They have bad earnings. Didn't even look into this. Been focused on DCIX all morning. Trying to get a dip buy here. I want to see just a big crash here on DCIX. Give me a little dip buy opportunity here, but not getting it. Holding this $14 area right now. Oh, Sprint T-Mobile deal, not happening. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing for me since I have Sprint. Starting a little bit earlier this morning just because that DCIX is just getting crazy. I think there's some possibility to play this thing today. Play this morning. Definitely, like I said, I'd like to see just a big sell-off here. I want to see this crash down there to that, maybe that 1350 area, maybe. $14 area, I'll take 14. I'm going to be playing with smaller size today on this one. Obviously, it's a wild one. But this morning, I woke up, I looked at it, wasn't doing much. And then I was looking at the $9 area. I was like, oh, man, there's just no volume on this thing. There's nothing's happening. And then looked away for a minute, and then it just started going higher and higher. Wasn't going to chase it. Probably should have just jumped in here at the $12 area. You always focus too much on the wrong ticker, Zach says. Okay, Zach, let's check out TXMD. TXMD. I'm focused on it. TXMD up there to 960, pulling back here. Down there to 560. Beautiful short at that 960 area. I mean, I looked at it. I don't know what you mean to say, Zach. I don't know. People come in here and they act like I owe them something. Last time I checked, nobody's paying for this. Damn. Nobody's paying for this live stream. This is not a membership fee. If you don't like it, there's a million other live streams to go watch. If you enjoy it, thanks for watching. But if you got an issue with it, get out of here. But DCIX up there, that $15 area. I'm sitting here and I want to jump in on it, but I don't want to chase it. The minute that I buy this stock, it's going to crash. Oh, damn it. The glasses. Be right back. Oh, we're back. The glasses are back on. I don't know why I do that, but I go other places in my house and I take the glasses off there and forget to bring them back to, I wouldn't bring them back. I missed out on the pop there. DCIX over that $15 area now, up there. 15. I might jump in here on that 15.50 break if this thing just wants to get really crazy for a second. Yesterday had a wedding that I went to. It was pretty fun. Late night, Sunday night weddings. Had to be in bed early. Had to wake up early this morning because I knew DCIX was going to be a crazy one. Looking here at DCIX, see maybe get above this 1540 area. Getting filled there, 1550. See if we get a pop up there. Took 100 shares already. Got 100 shares left. See if we can get above that high of day here, 1580. There we go, 1570, 15, up. I'm gonna put an order out there for 100 shares. Just sell there at 1575. See if we get filled there. It's not having the power to go crazy here. I was hoping this would just run up through that $16 area. Got 100 shares left there. I got filled. What did I get filled at? 63. A little quick on that one. Getting out of it there. Not liking it. Might jump back in later. So my profit on that one down $12. So playing it safe here. I'll look to get back in on a dip if we get a dip. I was hoping we were going to get right over that 1550 area. Might have to wait till open to get some crazy moves here over those resistance areas. Getting that $12. Getting that pop up there to the 1590. And pulling back here down to the 15s. 12 hamburgers. Not going to get eaten today. There's that pullback. Good thing I cut my loss when I did. That would have been a little bit more than a $12 loss there. So you can see DCIX had that resistance there at the 1570 area. Was hoping we get over that 15. We were bouncing. Had some trouble there at the 1540 area. Jumped in here. 1550 got filled. Was looking for that move up to that $16 area. Quick pop there. 50-cent pop would have been nice, but just not getting it there. We're pulling back right now, so. Why do I trade pre-market? I normally don't trade pre-market, but a little bit of FOMO this morning here on DCIX. You never know. This thing could have easily jumped over that $16 area and just ran to $20. It would have been a nice little win there, but sometimes you just got to play. You got to play the action. DCIX is not popping. Taking a look here at TOPS. TOPS pulling back down to that dollar area. Not a big fan right now, like I said, of this dollar area. This is that mental, I feel like there's just a mental resistance, a mental block there when you're that close to that dollar area. People get scared. Something about that dollar area. People get worried. They see that dollar area break and they start selling. Gotta be careful. Looks like DCIX pulling back up there. So DCIX down in that 1480 area. Coming back up here, 1510 now. There she goes. See if we get back above this 1550 area. I think we get above this 1550 area. We should get this move up to that $16 area, no problem. Just need some more volume. Volume kind of just trickling out here. I guess everybody that wanted to buy it this morning bought it down there at the $12 area. Only got 588,000 shares traded. See if I can get 200 shares here at the 1550 area again. Got 150. Getting fully filled there, 200 shares there at 1550. See if we can get this continuation higher here. Get above that 1590 area, $16 area now. Trying to go here. Come on, let's go. Buyer, step up there, 1550 area. $15.75 acting as that resistance right there. It's not wanting to go here. Look at this move above this 1550 area. Let's do it. Got about a 30 cent spread here. Not liking that. There it is. Getting filled there. Getting back green on the day. I'm trading with small size right now, guys. If you're wondering, I'm trading with small size. So don't think that I'm going insane right now. Only 200, 100 shares at a time. Just trying to jump in here hoping that we get a, you know, a quick dollar pop just to get crazy here, but it's not having the power. The volume's not there right now, so I'm probably gonna be done in terms of trying to scalp this pre-market unless it starts getting really crazy. But you can see I was down $12. Now I'm up $19. So there it is, up there to 1574. Looking for this move up to that $16 area. So I jumped in there. There it is. Oh, man. There's that 16. Here it comes. You guys scared me out of it. You scared me out of it. Everyone's like, gotta get out. Gotta get out. Oh, should have just stuck with it. Up there to $16 now. There's that move I wanted. Not gonna blame you guys, but I'm gonna blame you guys. It's all your fault. No, it's not. It's my fault. Should have stuck with this one. I had a feeling this would want to get up that $16 area there. It was just holding that $15.50. And there it is, up there to $16.25. $16.30 now. So you can see DCIX holding this trend. It had that resistance there at the 1540 area. There it is, up to 1648. That's that dollar move I was looking for. Oh, man. So DCIX up to that 1650 area. That's that full dollar move I was looking for. Got out right before it wanted to go crazy there. It's 9:08 right now. Sitting back here. Probably going to wait for market open. No shares, just short here on SureTrader. What's up, Eugene? All is well, man. All is well. There it is, 1650 about to break. Oh, it's trying. Trying real hard here. Get over that 1650 area. And there it is, 1660. Beautiful move here on DCIX. Was trying to get in there above this resistance there at the 1540 area. Had that first fill there at 1550. You can see right there. It pulled back. It got out there. Got in again here. It just didn't want to explode right away. I was hoping for it just to explode right over that 1550 area. You can see it was kind of bouncing there for a couple minutes. And then finally made a move higher. Thanks, Daniel. DCIX. Eugene, I don't think anybody had a clue that DCIX was going to go up 700% there on Friday. Wild move. That's just one of those things. Hindsight's always 20/20. I got in there at the $5 area right there at open on Friday. Thought I was taking profit at 550 at the top. And it was a top for a while. And then later on, I think like about a couple hours later, it just started to go crazy. I think it jumped from like $4.60 to $6 in a matter of minutes. Crazy short squeeze, and then just started heading higher. Thanks, Petit. I'm literally the worst at names. I'm not even gonna say it, but Amal, I think. Amal. Well done, Zach Taylor. Oh, Zach Taylor, $6 to $19.50. I would love to see the orders on that. Love to see the prints. There's probably some savage animal who bought DCIX at $19.50 and held it over the weekend, hoping that it's going to go back up. $1,000 challenge. Yeah, we're doing it. DCIX going higher here, up to $16.90 right now, $17. Wow. Oh, man. Man. That 1550 entry was looking really good right now. Son of a gun. Son of a gun. 1680, 17, 15. There it is. Daniel. Hey, Brandon. If you're gonna go start your own YouTube channel, start your own live stream as well. Don't come in mine and promote your YouTube channel. Come on now. DCIX up there to $17. There it is, pulling back down there, 1650 now. DCIX. We'll see if this pulls back down there. I hate to play it now. I really hate to play it right now, pre-market. After I was already in there at the 1550 area. The watch list for today. The watch list for today is definitely going to be DCIX. If you can't make money on this stock today, I don't know what you're doing. You're doing something wrong. Oh, Ross, TOPS, is it going up? I see that. It went up 2 cents. Get out of here. Unless TOPS goes up 300% in 1 minute. Trust me, I'm looking at it. There's TOPS up to that 110 area now. Got DCIX pulling back, TOPS pull it up. So 2 stocks to keep an eye on this morning. TOPS, keep an eye on DCIX. DRYS, I haven't even looked at DRYS. What's DRYS doing this morning? DRYS, it's up 9%. We don't want to get too many shippers moving at once. We want to keep everybody watching the same stock and everybody trading the same stock, keeping the volume there on DCIX. So hopefully we don't get too many shippers trying to move here today and pulling all the volume away from each other and then spreading the volume thin. So got to be careful about that. TOPS up to that 112 area, $1.12 right now. Daniel, do not quit college to follow me every day. Just take later classes, man. It makes it a lot easier. So yeah, we've been here since what, like 9:45, watching DCIX. We got 356 people watching. Well, that's what's going on. What's up, everybody? 350 people. It's Monday morning. Good way to get the week started here. TOPS moving higher. TOPS it's literally working for, it's like a battle. Every single cent is a battle right now. Look at this, $1.13 area, $1.14 area, big battle there right now. It's just not going straight crazy right now. It's got that battle. Obviously, it's pre-market, so the volume is a little bit lower. Got 3 million shares traded right now there on TOPS. Up there to $1.14. But like I said, that battle, I don't like the battle. I don't want to battle for cents. I want to battle for dollars. I want to see dollar moves, not cent moves. TOPS 274 on the bid. Getting up there to 215. It's going. All right, so we're getting a little bit better of a move there from the $1.15, $1.20 area. Up there to $1.20 now, TOPS. Can we get a 100% move here before open? We'll see. Got about 15 minutes till market open. I'm just sitting back here watching. So DCIX pulling back down to that $16 area. It got up there to $17. I got in here at $15.50. I took profit way too early. I don't even want to look at it. But there it is, pulling back down now, DCIX. So we got TOPS going up. Got DCIX pulling down. This is SureTrader. If you're wondering, this is SureTrader that I'm using. This is the first time watching. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Down there in the bottom, there's a little box, a little subscribe button. If you hit that, it'll help me help you kind of thing. Every time somebody subscribes, a angel gets his wings in heaven. Something like that. Something good happens. Something out there has to happen good, I think. So DCIX, TOPS. I really haven't even looked at what else is moving overall in the market right now. Let me take a look, just in case something else is moving. DCIX is really the top mover so far this morning. Got a couple other stocks moving around, but nothing looking too crazy. Definitely got my eyes here on DCIX. Got TXMD. Jumped up big this morning, but it sold off really hard. So you can see TXMD this morning. Somebody got some shares up there at the 940 area. Ouch. Ouch. Waking up at 6 o'clock in the morning to buy shares of TXMD there at $9. That is not the way I want to start my morning. You can see that pullback down there to the 560 here on TXMD. So DCIX down to that entry, to my previous entry there, down to that 1550 area. Like to see some serious selling here. Get back down to that $14 area maybe here. I wouldn't mind getting in there at $14. We'll see. I like to see this pullback. Look at that. Look at the level 2 here. There's no buyers between 15 and 14. It's literally just 15 and then 14. I'm not sure if I'm just not seeing other books, but look at this. Literally, we're just showing 15 and then 14. Do I still live trade market hours? I do not live trade market hours normally. I record them. One of the reasons I don't live trade market hours is just it's a lot going on there, and then also the chat room that I'm a part of, the chat room that I trade in, it'd be kind of weird if I was live streaming the trades all day while the chat room was going on and people were paying for that chat room. So wow, can we break 400 people watching? If you're watching right now, do not tune away. Stay tuned in right now. Let's see if we can get over that $400 people mark. 380 right now. 300 people, 380 people watching right now. So we can see if we can get over that 400 people watching. If you want to learn more about the chat room that I'm a part of, the chat room that I trade in, check out PlanDayTradeProfit.com. There is a link in the description of this video. You can send me an email. We can get you in for a free trial. You can learn more about the chat room for a couple days. Robert Brooks, first time watcher, shout out. What's going on, my man? So DCIX back above that $16 area. Nice little pop off that $15 area. Somebody called out the reversal there. Nice call out there. Beautiful. All right, so we're at 389 watchers. We'll see if we can get over this 400 mark here. Don't tune away. Tune in right now. Stay tuned. Let's get over that 400 mark. We'll do something crazy. John Young, first time watching. Welcome. All right, all right. So DCIX, this thing is, it's going to get crazy today, guys. I hate to say that. I literally hate to say that because it sounds very just like, oh, it's so crazy. But DCIX, we're going to get some wild moves today. And I'm not talking about just on the upside. There can be some wild moves on the downside. So be careful. If you're going to trade DCIX today, make sure you take profit when you got it. Make sure you cut your losses. Do not be stubborn. DCIX, there is no value in this company other than the idea of this thing just being a total pump and dump. There's a low float. There's shorts. There's people emotionally buying this. Do not, and I repeat, do not hold this thing for very long. If you jump in and it starts to crash, just get out of it and come back. Come back at a different time. Don't be stubborn. I don't want you guys to lose a bunch of money here on DCIX. Don't blow up your account. Don't trade maybe a smaller size. You don't need a huge size to make money here on DCIX. I want you guys to be careful because I'm going to be careful and I'm going to be trading it with that same idea that DCIX could crash, could get halted, could do anything in a matter of minutes. We'll see. On Friday, there was no halts on DCIX, which was pretty crazy. So we'll see if that happens today. AMD, too big of a float for me. I wouldn't trade it normally. I think I've traded it maybe once or twice over the years, but this thing, it's another battle. It's a battle of a stock. Every penny is battle. It's a battle. I want to see those stocks that just go crazy. I don't look at AMD. So DRYS. We got TXMD moving this morning. What else do we got? We got someone called out T-Mobile this morning, possibly shorting it. It's looking like it's pulling back there. So the deal between T-Mobile and Sprint not working out there, so it's selling off. And you got TOPS up to that $1.19 area right now. And you can see it's pulling back there. So watching a couple different stocks here at open. The volume just kind of trickling out there on DCIX. I think people are waiting till open. I think a lot of people are sitting here waiting, wanting that open confirmation, or they're hoping for a nice big pullback there at open. But I think we'll see some kind of action. We've already had some insane action from that $9 area up there to $17. On any given day, this is what that move alone would be remarkable. Normally, when you're day trading, to see a move from $9 to $17, you can't complain about that. And that all happened in the first hour and a half before the market opened. So pretty wild to see. DCIX this morning, I'm definitely going to be watching this area. $14 area, $12.90, $13 area. I'm thinking here at open, we might get a little bit of a drop. Some sell-off there at open. But look for that turn. If you're looking to get in there, you're looking for level 2, you're looking for that action, looking for the time and sales. You want to see, you know, a lot of selling, and then all of a sudden kind of slows down and then reverses. So we're looking for that reverse there at open. DCIX, I wouldn't mind getting some shares down there at the $12, $13 area. If we get a wild crash there at open. People taking profit for holding over the weekend. People who jumped in there at the end of day Friday at the $10 area and took profit here at open. We'll see what happens. DCIX, crazy, up 38% so far this morning. This thing ran up over 700% on Friday. Obviously, we're not going to see a 700% move, but there's still a good chance that we get back up to that Friday high. So you have Friday high there at the $20 area. You can see end of the day there, we really just started selling off. DCIX moving lower, but just kind of look at this move. So in the morning on Friday, this thing jumped up, it pulled back, and then started to consolidate, and then a squeeze higher, pulled back, consolidated, squeezed higher, pulled back, consolidated, and then squeezed. And then once we got above that $11, $10 area, that's when we really started to get that big move. So from, you know, $10, we jumped up there to $14, it pulled back. And then really, when it really got volatile was from that $14 up there to $19. I remember sometimes seeing the spread being like a full dollar, just getting crazy. But like I said, DCIX, play this one like you're playing with fire, because there's a good chance that something bad could happen, like getting halted, like just crashing. DCIX could literally crash from $15 down there to $9 in a matter of seconds. So you do not want to hold this one for very long. If you're going to be in it, take profit when you got it. Look for a dip. Don't go chasing it. Don't go chasing waterfalls, because this thing could easily turn into a bloody, bloody waterfall. Remember, we're playing these stocks with the idea of taking profit quick, getting in, taking profit quick, getting out kind of thing. We're not holding. This is not an investment, guys. We are not trying to hold this thing for the next couple of days. Take that profit when you got it. No shares to short DCIX right now. TLC, baby. Don't go chasing waterfalls. This thing starts to waterfall off. Don't go chasing it. Wait for the bottom to form. You got Kim over there in at 1050. Nice entry there on DCIX this morning down there in the $9 area. I was sitting there. I was like, oh, I wanted to jump in, but there was just no volume. There was no volume on DCIX this morning. But you can see after 8 o'clock, it started to ramp up there. So I think the SureTraders can trade after 8 o'clock. So that's probably what happened here. We get all the people on SureTrader kind of like, hey, I want to buy in on this. And boom. Making that move higher from the $9 area up there to $17 right now on DCIX. But like I said, there's not going to be any support on this thing. It's going to just start to crash when it starts crashing. So be careful. Look at the spread right now. We got a, what was that, about a 50-cent spread, $15.75 on the bid, $16.20 on the ask. You got to be careful. There is a margin restriction as well on SureTrader DCIX. I actually got to go use the little boys room. But getting ready for market opening here. We got about 4 minutes. Go do that real quick, and I will talk to you guys later on. Make sure you tune in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Help me help you. We'll be doing this every single day, 9 a.m. We got 4 minutes till market open. I'm going to go use the bathroom. I will talk to you guys later on. Make sure you help me out by hitting that subscribe button. That's all I ask. You don't have to pay for this thing. You don't have to do anything other than support the channel. It's that easy. I'll talk to you guys later on. I gotta end this thing. How do I end this thing? Oh, it never lets me end it sometimes. Fuck, is it still live right now? Are we live right now? What is going on? Holy shit, I think we're still live. That was awkward. I thought I closed this out. I gotta get out of here. Talk to you guys later.